previous section we have studied about Raoult's law. Now let us understand ideal solution and non-ideal solution. We'll have an ideal solution and we'll have a non-ideal solution. So basically, what is it called an ideal solution? A solution, an ideal solution may be defined as the solution which obeys Raoult's law. Okay, so which obeys Raoult's law in all range of concentration, entire range of concentration, you can say that is called an ideal solution. Then what is non-ideal solution? But obvious, which does not obeys Raoult's law. Okay, so such solutions are called non-ideal solutions. What exactly happened in this? So there is, it's like that कि भाई Raoult's law है तो एने always आउट होना चाहिए कि भाई कि what is it, तो कि P of A is equals to X of A into P not A, and it can follow X PB is equals to X of B into P of B not. Okay, so this is what it can be there because this is Raoult's law. So they are following this equation. In this condition, this may not be this right now. Okay, so a non-ideal condition cannot follow this rule. They may differ from this rule. Okay, now when you are going to mix 25 ml of two volatile solvent, same kind of solvent to each other, in this condition I get 50 ml. Okay, two are multiplied, so that will be there. It means there is no change in a volume. Delta V mix is equals to 0. It means change will not be there in the volume. Strictly here, delta V mix, it means volume change in volume may not be equal the same one. What happened here? Here in this condition, ideal solution, there is no exchange of energy. It means enthalpy is equal to 0. No absorption, no evolution of energy takes place over there. But when in a non-ideal solution, it is never going to be 0. It means there will be an absorption. There will be an absorption of energy or exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction taking place. But in reality, no such ideal solutions is available. But what is said, there is no solution which behaves strictly as an ideal solution. However, this solution in which solvent-solvent and solute-solute interaction is almost equal are considered or behave as if they are ideal. They are ideal. So they have given certain examples of an ideal solution over here. Okay, the examples of ideal solution are normal heptane and normal hexane. Here I can say this is A and this is B. So AA interaction, BB interaction, AB interaction, all are nearly same, and that's why they are considered as ideal. Same with ethyl bromide and ethyl iodide. Okay, these two are also considered as ideal solution. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene these two are also considered as the one. Benzene and toluene, these are the examples which we consider as an ideal solution. So dear students, what happened in such one, the interaction between molecules almost of the same type before and after mixing. Therefore, the solutions are not accompanied by any changes in delta H mix and delta V mix. Okay, so for such solution, the vapor pressure of solution is always intermediate between the vapor pressure of component A and B. So that's why it may be noted that although most of the solutions shows a deviation from ideal behavior, yet they behave as an ideal solution when the concentration of the solute is very low. In other words, most of the dilute solutions behave as an ideal solutions. So this is the bottom line. So dilute solutions, कोई भी होय, dilute solutions can behave as an ideal solution. Okay, so here the same one was the ideal solution. Now let's talk about a non-ideal. Non-ideal which that does not obey the Raoult's law, so they are not going to follow this formula. Okay, then the delta H mix and delta V are not there. Here it is noted that ideal, non-ideal binary solutions, none of the components follow Raoult's law, and that's why the further classified into two parts. One is a positive deviation, okay, and negative deviation. So guys, it is now further, non-ideal solutions are further divided into two sections. One is positive and one is negative. Now what is there in the positive? In this type of partial pressure of this, in this one, okay, the partial pressure of each component of the solution is greater than the vapor pressure of expected according to Raoult's law. It means કે આ બંનેનું જે vapor pressure આવે ને એ normally જે આવતું હોય ને એના કરતા વધારે આવશે. It means કે it is going to be more than that. And this type of deviation shown by the solution which contains, they have solvent, solute or solute. Such kind of interactions are stronger. Okay, solvent, here I have to completely go for it. Solvent interactions are stronger, okay, than the solute and solvent. Yani I said that we called it, this is an AA interaction beta. Okay, we have studied about AA interaction. Here we call it as AB interaction. It means solute and solvent. This is BB interaction. Okay, so B solute, these two interactions are greater than or larger than AB interaction, and that's why they shows a positive deviation. What exactly happened? This interaction leads to the molecules becomes weaker and therefore escaping tendency increases. So this solvent and solute can easily escape, and that's why they increases the vapor pressure, and when they increases the vapor pressure, total vapor pressure will be increased, and that's why they shows a positive deviation. Okay, and when any solution or any solution which shows a positive deviation, non-ideal solution shows a positive deviation, the vapor pressure of the solution will be maximum. The vapor pressure of the solution will be maximum. Hence, they are having boiling point is minimum. બરોબર? Yes, but obvious જો એનું vapor pressure વધારે હોય એનો boiling point કેવો હોય? Minimum. એટલે આ લોકોનું boiling point કેવો હશે? It will be minimum. બરોબર? Minimum boiling કહેવાય, એનો boiling point minimum કહેવાય. And when a solution which distills without change in composition of no particular temperature at a particular temperature called azeotrope. હવે આવા ટાઈપના compound એક azeotrope બનાવે. હવે azeotrope શું છે? તો કે it behaves as if a one molecule. Okay, and that's why when this kind of azeotrope shows a positive deviation, they are considered as minimum boiling azeotrope. Okay, similarly in the negative one it's exactly opposite. The interaction between AB is greater than AA and BB. So what happened? The vapor pressure will decrease. If vapor pressure will decrease, then boiling point will be maximum. And if boiling point is maximum, then azeotrope, if such a solution forms an azeotrope, that azeotrope is considered as maximum boiling azeotrope. So guys, it is very clear and very simple. Okay, in this condition एक बहुत मस्त वस्तु बने. As I've said कि ये delta H mix is does not equal to 0 and delta H mix is does not equals to 0. So what happened in the solution? If I have normal hexane and ethanol molecules, then what happened? The interaction will become less. And so what exactly happened over here? This will, in the case of the positive deviation, this delta V mix, guys, delta V mix is always positive. It's always positive. It means कि एनो volume बढ़ी जाए. Same delta H mix, it means change in enthalpy will always be positive, and the value of PA will be greater than P naught AXA. Okay, same P naught B XB. Okay, so guys, this is what we have to understand for the positive deviation. So sir, what happened exactly in the negative deviation? As you can see here, we can easily make it out. Okay, what will be there in the negative deviation? So let us understand what is there in the negative deviation. So negative deviation, we have seen this part. So this is what happened in a positive deviation. So negative deviation must be exactly an opposite type. Delta V mix is equal to negative. Delta H mix enthalpy change will be negative. It means it will be an exothermic reaction. And what happened is the vapor pressure is less in both the cases. The vapor pressure is less in both the cases. So guys, this is what all about our negative deviation and positive deviation. Okay, so this topic is important for 2 marks. They can ask you a question: ideal solution, non-ideal solution, difference between ideal solution and non-ideal solution, or difference between positive ideal solution and positive non-ideal solution, and positive deviation from non-ideal solution, negative deviation from non-ideal solution. Thank you.